Welcome to Quiz Swirl. Twist your mind with fun and learning. Today's quiz is all about famous scientists and their amazing inventions, discoveries, and theories. Can you guess who did what? Let's find out. Get ready to play and learn. Comment below how many you get right. Before we begin the quiz, let's quickly understand three important words. Inventions are things created by people. Discoveries are about finding things that already exist. Theories are ideas proposed to explain how things work. Before we begin, please subscribe for more fun quizzes. Ready? Let's begin. Who invented the first telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who is credited with inventing the electric light bulb? Thomas Edison. Who is credited with inventing the radio? Guglielmo Marconi. Who is credited with discovering penicillin, the first antibiotic medicine? Alexander Fleming. Who invented Lego bricks? Ole Kirk Christensen. What did Isaac Newton discover? Law of gravity. Who is credited with developing the first vaccination? Edward Jenner. Who invented the World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. What theory did Charles Darwin propose? Natural selection. Who invented the first printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Who developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Who invented the first practical electric battery? Alessandro Volta. Who invented the stethoscope? René Lennox. Who invented the first airplane? Wright brothers. Who invented the first air conditioner? Willis Carrier. Who is credited with inventing the microscope? Zacharias Janssen. Who discovered the structure of DNA? Watson and Crick. Who is credited with inventing the computer? Charles Babbage. Who invented the barometer? Evangelista Torricelli. Who invented the electric telegraph and developed Morse code? Samuel Morse. Who created the periodic table? Dmitri Mendeleev. Who invented the steamboat? Robert Fulton. Who discovered radium? Marie Curie. Who discovered X-rays? Wilhelm Röntgen. Who is credited with inventing the first camera to take a permanent photo? Joseph N. Niepce. Who proposed the heliocentric model of the solar system? Nicolaus Copernicus. What invention is Karl Benz famous for? Automobile. Who invented the computer mouse? Douglas Engelbart. Who invented the first real electronic television? Philo Farnsworth. Who developed the polio vaccine? Jonas Salk. Who invented the first modern thermometer with a temperature scale? Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Who is called the father of electricity? Michael Faraday. Who is known as the father of genetics for discovering the laws of inheritance? Gregor Mendel. Who discovered insulin to treat diabetes? Frederick Banting and Best. Who invented the electric fan? Schuyler Wheeler. Who developed the method of pasteurization to make food safer? Louis Pasteur. Who discovered the electron, a tiny part of an atom? J.J. Thomson. Who proposed the Big Bang Theory? Georges Lemaitre. Who is known for discovering the 3 laws of motion? Isaac Newton. Who discovered that moving magnets can create electricity? Michael Faraday. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more quiz fun. Pick your next challenge and thanks for watching.